Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss the same lesson that we have discussed in previous class, that is clothes we wear. Clothes we wear, and we have discussed that different clothes are there, different types of clothes are there that we wear in our daily life. Okay, so according to the occasion we wear different types of clothes. So basically you know that there are three seasons. Yes, there are three seasons. With those are the winter season, monsoon season and summer season. And we wear the clothes according to the seasons. We wear the clothes according to the seasons. So which kind of clothes we wear in which season, we have discussed in previous class. So what we wear, which kind of clothes we wear in the winter season? We wear sweaters. Yes. And what do we call them? We call them woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes in the winter season, and we wear cotton clothes. We wear cotton clothes in the summer season. Why do we wear cotton clothes in the summer season only? Because you know that cotton clothes are very lightweight. Those are very lightweight on the body, and as well as they absorb the sweat very easily. They absorb the sweat very easily. And you know that summer season, yes, the climatic condition of summer season is extremely hot and dry. If you feel hot, what will happen? You will sweat. You will sweat easily. That's because we wear cotton clothes to absorb the sweat easily. Okay. And why do we wear woolen clothes in the winter season? Because woolen clothes are very warm. They keep our body warm and hot. And you know that the climatic condition of in winter season is extremely cold. That's because we wear woolen clothes in the winter season. Next we wear raincoats. When do we wear raincoats? In the monsoon season. Monsoon season in the sense rainy season. The season that now be going on. Season. Yes, it is the monsoon season. So why do we wear raincoat? Because it is very necessary. When you are going out in the rain, it is compulsory, it is needed that your body should be dry. So that's because raincoats helps our body to keep it dry. That's because we wear raincoats in the monsoon season. So these are the some clothes that we wear according to the seasons. After that we learned that the clothes are, what are the clothes made of? So clothes are made up of fiber. So there are many types of fibers are there. There are cotton, there is leather, there is woolen, there is silk. Is it? So how we are getting the cotton? How we are getting the cotton? There is a particular cotton plant is there. So from the cotton plant we are getting the cotton and we just prepare the cotton clothes. Okay. Next, how do we get wool? See, we are wearing sweaters. So what is the sweater made up of? Sweater is made up of woolen. How we are getting that woolen or wool? We are getting wool from the sheep. Yes, sheep is the animal, you know that. So we are getting the wool from the hair of the sheep. Next, we are getting leather. Yes, we wear jackets and shoes are there which are made up of by leather. So how we are getting the leather fiber? We are getting the leather fiber from the dead animals, skin of the dead animals. Okay. So next, silk. We wear silk clothes on the occasion, on the special occasions like wedding, on the festivals we wear silk clothes, silk sarees, silk dresses are there. So what is the silk made up of? Silk is made up of from silkworm. Silkworm is an insect. Silkworm is an insect. So by that insect we can get the silk very easily. Okay. So today we are going to discuss some of the questions are there in the page number 122. You can see this box. They have given a box. Take a pencil in your hand because you are going to answer all those questions. What they ask for, write the names of three types of clothes. You have to write the names of three types of clothes made from the following types of fiber. They have given some fibers one side. You have to write any three things which should be made from those fiber. So what is the first fiber they have given? That is cotton. First one is cotton, and the second one is silk, and the third one is wool. Okay. many things you should write in front of this fiber? You should write at least 3 things from each fiber. Okay. So first one is cotton. By using cotton, which kind of cloth or which kind of things you can prepare. First you can prepare cotton saree. Yes, from the cotton you can make cotton saree. So write it in the first line, cotton saree. And the second thing, you can t-shirt. So you must be here that it is a cotton t-shirt. Okay. So next, socks. Some kinds of socks are there. Some types of socks are there which are made from the cotton. So these are the 3 things which are prepared by the cotton. And next one is silk. So you can see silk saree. And when do we wear the silk saree? On the special occasions I told you, like wedding and festivals. Next one is ties. Ties that you wear in your neck, that is ties. Next one is some kind of dresses. It can be any kind of dresses. Okay. So next, the last one is wool. So you can prepare the sweaters which we wear in the winter season. Okay. And the next one is coats. Some coats are there which are made up of by wool. And the last one is gloves. Gloves in the sense hand gloves. When do we wear these gloves, sweaters and this coat? In the winter season, because the climatic condition of the winter season is extremely cold. Okay, so these are the correct answers. Just copy them in your notebook as well as in your textbook. So after this, we are going to discuss the different kinds of clothes. Different kinds of clothes. In the sense, different types of people wear different types of clothes according to their profession. Okay. So first one, we wear different kinds of clothes for different purposes. For different purposes we wear different kinds of clothes. See, you wear uniform while coming to school, and after going home, what you wear, which kind of clothes you wear in your home? You wear casual clothes like t-shirt or pant you wear in your home. Is it? So like that, different kinds of people wear different kinds of clothes for the special or different purpose. So let's study about that. A particular definition is there for uniform. So you can guess that what is uniform. Yes, uniforms are the dresses that we wear while coming to school or while going to office. See, there is a particular definition for this. So special kind of clothes worn by the people when they go to work or by children at school are called as uniform. See, some kinds of people. Uniforms are the dresses that we wear to go when to going to school by the children or to office by the elders. That is called as uniform. The special kind of clothes. Write down this definition in your notebook. The special kind of clothes. Special kind of clothes worn by the people when they go to work. When they go to work or by children at schools is called uniform. This is the particular definition for the uniform, and also it is important. Okay, so these are the special kind of clothes. Uniforms are the special kind of clothes which are worn by whom? These are the worn by people when they go to work. They go to work, or the children at schools is called as uniform. You know, jana schooling. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಏನು ಬಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ಹಾಕೋತಾರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 122. There are many different people. There are many different people are there who are wearing the different kinds of clothes according to their profession. So you can see the first picture. You can see the first picture, and by seeing that uniform, by seeing him, you can recognize that who is that, in which profession he is now. So he is a policeman, you can see, and you know the uniforms of policeman. Do you know that? Yes. So he is a policeman. And the next picture is about she is a doctor. She is a doctor. You know that doctors wear the white coat in the hospital because those are the uniforms of the doctor. So the third picture, a kid in school uniform. Yes, he is a kid and he is going to school. While going to school, what you wear, which kind of clothes you wear? You wear uniforms. Now the last picture is he is a pilot. Who is a pilot? Who is the pilot? Yes, he is the man who drives the aeroplane. Okay, so he is the pilot and he is also having some kinds of uniform. So in the next page, in page number 123, page number 23, it is for your homework. What you have to do is 4 blank boxes are there. 4 blank boxes are there. What you have to draw there? In the box given below, draw pictures of the uniform worn by the following people. In the downside of those boxes, they have given some of the names of the people. So by seeing that, you have to draw them. In the first box, to whom you draw? Soldier. You should draw a soldier. So which kind of clothes a soldier wear? You just imagine it or you just copy it from the Google also. You can take the help of your parents. Okay. So in the second picture you should draw a sailor. In the third picture you should draw a postman, and in the last you can draw pilot. See, pilot you can see in here. You just copy him there. So it is for your homework. Draw them properly with the help of your parents. Okay, so it's enough for today. Tomorrow we will discuss about costumes. Some of the costumes that are there which are worn by the people in a particular activities, while doing the particular activities, like if you are going to swimming. If you are going to swim in the swimming pool, which kind of clothes you wear? Yes, a different kind of clothes is there. And while you are going to marriage or wedding, to attend the wedding, which kind of clothes you wear? You wear some silk clothes. Yes. So all these things we will discuss in the next class. Read this lesson for one time again and do this in your home. Do this work in your home. Okay.